Okay, guys. I just got this new alpha project. This is a Cryplex AI, right? So it's AI training on decentralized storage network. So you are going to be participating in their airdrop, where we earn free point by connecting our wallet to utilize the platform. Okay, so you can unlock the earnings potential of your ideal storage on this project and get rewarded with their native token called CPX. So I'm going to show you the simple way to connect your extension and start earning your initiate your AI training to earn data. All right, so you have to go ahead and join with the link in the video description. So once you hit on the link, it will bring you to this place. Okay, this place is where it will pop up. Make sure you have installed your wallet, your phantom wallet. Okay, for your airdrop, you can see I'm using Macy's browser, which is preferably the browser you'll be needed to run this alpha project. So once you've installed phantom wallet, or you can install Bitgate wallet or any other wallet that has Solana network. Okay, so you can use any EVM wallet. It's compatible right now. So you can see we have Bitgate wallet, also Solana network compatible wallet. Okay, but preferably you'll be needing Solana phantom wallet. Okay, so just install phantom wallet. If you don't know how to install phantom wallet, you can check it on YouTube here on how to add phantom wallet to your browser. So you can add it and create a wallet, or import your normal airdrop wallet. So once you are done with that, you have to go ahead and use the link in the video description. So click on the link, it will show you wallet select. So it will pop up to select phantom wallet, okay, or any other wallet you are using. Because I've already connected my phantom wallet, it did not really pop up the connection request. Okay, so if I close this browser, you can see that it has already connected. Let me refresh it and see if there will be a pop-up. Okay, all right guys, so this is actually what you're going to be seeing once you have any of these wallets integrated in your Mrs. browser. It will give you multiple options to select. So I'll preferably be selecting Bitgate wallet because it will help me to make a connection quick. So tap on Bitgate wallet, so it will prompt me to connect. Okay, I have to enter my password. All right guys, so once you have connected your wallet, this is the page that will pop up. Okay, you can see your wallet will show up here. Now what you need to do is to scroll down, and then you see some options here. Okay, look at the options: the dashboard, the referral, the task, and the node. Okay, and the last one is the airdrops. So the first one you're going to be considering is the node. Okay, so if you come to the node section, but first of all you have to activate the extension. So once you've connected your wallet and it is like this, so the next thing you're going to be doing is to go ahead and install the extension. Use the second link in the video description and install the extension. So once the extension is installed, you can see it here, Cryplex AI storage node. You can see that it is active, showing this point here. Look at this point, it is active. Okay, it's connected. So if you tap on the complex AI node, it will show you connect. Okay, you can actually refer you to the dashboard of your account page. You can see it here. All right, so what you need to do now is to go ahead and then complete the available task. Okay, so just click on task. You'll be prompted to see quick win. So follow them on X. Add this to your X name, or you just add it to your bio, then drop a review. It will take you to Chrome website. Tap on the 5 stars. It will show you where to write review. You can just write something like good project. When you come back, it will show you claim. Okay, you claim all these points. Once you are done with that, you go to daily boost. Okay, daily boost is also available. So you just comment any of these hashtags on Twitter, on a tweet, okay, from Cryplex AI. So any of the posts for the day, you can just go ahead and use any of these hashtag to write something. So you just retweet a tweet from Cryplex AI. Just tap the arrow, take you straight to your to X page. So you are going to be retweeting any of the posts for the day. Okay, that is basically how you can be able to earn on these apps on daily basis. Okay, so it's a node app that can help you to utilize the platform and earn from some point while connecting to the data storage. Okay, so it's very easy. So while this is loading up, you can go ahead and finish up the remaining task. Now go ahead and see, once you have connected your dashboard, the node dashboard, once the extension is connected, you can see that it is under the node that you can see all these features. All right, so look at the system model. This one, Spark model is connected. You can see it here. This statue is showing that it's connected. Okay, so and the total nodes online is 8,474. Now we are very early, guys. That is why I'm sharing this, so that you can jump in now and start using this data storage node. Okay, so you can go to dashboard, and it will also bring you to the initial place I showed you. So if you click on airdrop, you can see that we'll have some points from people who have joined. All right, so it's actually a new project, and you can see that people have not actually earned much, right? So the first person is having 43,000 pieces, so it's very fresh and new. You have to jump in, guys, and start earning. All right, so while you use the Macy's browser on daily basis, you will earn your points. You can see I have already accumulated. I just entered the airdrop today, so I've already earning points. You can see it here, right? So it's very easy to earn. So make sure you install the extension after connecting your wallet. Okay, so don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. So, and also going to drop the link to our WhatsApp platform, where we share updates to keep you up to date. All right, so you're not going to be missing any airdrop opportunities, so that you can be able to earn online via airdrop. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.